today is Sunday, January 16th. I'm gonna make me some mimosas. I'm about to be ground and sexy in the morning. I wonder if the Saints play today. Does the Saints play today?
The Saints will play the Buccaneers in the NFC Divisional this evening at 5:40 p.m.
Oh, let me show y'all the wine that I bought. I picked up the Riesling Black Girl Magic. If y'all don't know anything about this, this is a Black-owned company. So yeah, I'm gonna try this. Hopefully it doesn't mess with my allergies. So let me go ahead and get my breakfast started. So I'll be back. To look and find me a wig. Birthday is coming up real soon and I'm planning on going out of town, and I'm actually going to one of my favorite places.
Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda, I've been on a roll, life been taking toll. I just wanna roam, I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower. Party on occasion, that should ease the weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know, is you falling through? Tell me what the move is, girl, it's been a cool minute, yeah. I just wanna know, tell me what's the hold up, wanna get to know ya. Girl, I wanna show ya, yeah, that I've got all the things you need from me. I wanna hear you say you still believe in me. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna feel something real. Lately I've been low down, losing all control, I admit it. All this Tennessee hit my limits. This might be all the year, let me finish. I get it, I know you tease for the leisure, only for the eve. See you searching for the meaning. Hate the way we treat this. Why you in a rush? Know you got no business leaving. Why you always leaving? Know you want that repeat. Yeah, it ain't no way around it. We got a range about us. You got your way about you. Not much to say about it. Still have your way around me. They say it was something special. Is it better where we left it? All this inside of my head. Know when you're ready. I just wanna know.
Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna
know.
So y'all, I'm back on here. Y'all didn't put on here that I just went to the grocery store. I should have pulled the camera out when I was in there, but it was just an impromptu store run. Ooh, I feel so greasy and oily. I forgot to put on sunscreen when I went out today. But anyways, the game is about to come on. Wait, what time is it? No, it's not. It's 4:20. So I got like about an hour and so. But I'm gonna just show y'all. Y'all look at this. Just can't be great. Just can't be great. Just can't be great. I just had one right here. It's still a little sore. I'm like, who gets a zit on their neck? Anyways, I'm gonna show y'all what I went ahead and purchased from the grocery store. And hold on, let me show y'all. Coke Zeros, 10-pack, red hot wings, sauce, the hot buffalo. I love me some blue cheese. If y'all don't like blue cheese, I'm sorry, but I love blue cheese. And then I picked up these e.l.f. brushes because every time I go there, they're always sold out of these. And I actually went to just my neighborhood Walmart, not the big one, but the neighborhood one. So this is the ultimate blending brush, and these are so good. And I picked up these birthday cake waffles. It's a yellow cake with rainbow sprinkles. I don't know how long they're gonna have these out, but I can only find them at Walmart. So yay. I also picked up just some daisies, some white daisies. Yeah, I'm gonna put these up in a vase, in a vase, and probably get ready to cook these hot wings.
Dropping every month, we ain't slowing down, nah. Ayy, sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, musta heard around. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good, tell them break it down. ISO Wendy's in your town, don't forget the dollar sign. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good, tell them get in line. Hold it down, came up from the underground. Ayy, tried to play me back then, but you learning now. Do not play with fire, you be burning out. It's like butter, baby, butter when I churn it out. They gon' talk behind your back until you turn around. 360, I'm on preheat, I be baking all the good. Chef Curry.
So y'all, I'm so behind right now because it's like 5 o'clock and I am actually getting ready to order some stuff off of Fashion Nova because, again, like I said, I'm going out of town next weekend for my birthday. And I want to take some cute pictures and have some cute outfits. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So I'm just looking at some things on Fashion Nova site. Y'all look at these brown outfits that they have. They are so cute. Yeah. I'm gonna be fasting all week, y'all, just to look cute for my birthday. So get this stomach together. But yeah.
Issues, I know I got issues. Hate you, then I miss you again. Selfish, I can be so selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too. But a little grace would be enough for me to prove that baby, you the remedy. to believe you can. Cause baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see it, bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want these problems, I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you.
Ayy, sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, musta heard around. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good. Tell them break it down. ISO Wendy's in your town, don't forget the dollar sign. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good. Tell them get in line. Hold it down, hold it down. Came up from the underground. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good. Sounds good. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good. Sounds good. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good. Sounds good. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good. Sounds good. It's in the picture, let me crop them out. They told us trust the process, we ain't stopping now. They know that it's a scene when we popping out. We came up from the dirt, yeah, we popping out. This our year, yeah, we finna lock it down. We the top boys in your city when we come around. ISO no POP, tell them hold it down. We dropping every month, we ain't slowing down, nah. Ayy, sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, musta heard around. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good. Tell them.
So y'all, it is like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. I'm tired. I am about to end this vlog. Thank you for hanging out with me on this Sunday, but I'm about to sign off. And that's gonna be all. I'm gonna finish watching this game right now. We're tied to the Buccaneers 2020. So I've ordered my clothes for my birthday. I've ordered a wig. I'll catch y'all on the next video.